Hey guys, check this out. A setting jig made by 3D Lab. Now this product will give you perfect brake alignment, ensuring smooth, race-ready performance with every run. Now let me show you how it works. Okay, so as you can see, there's two slots here. Okay, the one is shorter than the other. It's because the shorter one is for the FRP plate, and then the longer one is for the popsicle. Okay, so let's first start with the FRP mount. So all you have to do is slide your FRP plate here like this. Okay, then get your brake sponge here, and then you can just place the brake sponge here. Okay, like this. Now this is perfectly measured by 3D Lab to ensure that the brake sponge is centered. Okay, now just remove the plate. There you have it. It's perfectly centered. Okay, now let's try the other one, the popsicle. Okay, insert here. Usually for FMA, they use 2 popsicle sticks for their front brakes. Okay, but for this one, let's just use a single. Okay, so again, remove the cover. Okay, and then just stick it here. Okay, and there you go. So just slide it out, and there you have it. Another centered, perfectly centered brake sponge for your Tamiya car. Alright, so let's move on to the pros and cons of this product. So let's start with the pros. Now the brake sponge is already centered, so you don't have to worry like, is my brake sponge centered? Is it off to the left or off to the right? Stuff like that. Okay. Now for the cons, well, if you use this every time that you need to change your brakes, then you have to dismantle the FRP plate from your chassis, like this one. So for the CFM setup, every time that you have to attach this, you have to remove the screw, right? Which I don't prefer, but it's still up to you if you're fine with that. But I think there's a build that the screw will pass through the chassis, this one. Okay, so it won't matter to them if they detach and attach the FRP plate from the chassis. Okay, so that's it for our video. If you like this product, message 3D Lab in Facebook to place your order. See ya! We are inviting you to visit the Attic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and multi-tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.